Hello dear children, in the last video we have introduced the chapter number 1 crop production and management of class 8th science, and today we're going to learn about the different types of crops, right? As we know that what is a crop? Yes, when plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. In the last video, in the introduction of the chapter, we have studied that crops are of different types like cereals, vegetables and fruits, and they can be classified on the basis of different season in which they grow. India is a vast country. The climatic conditions like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one region to the another. Accordingly, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. Despite this diversity, two broad cropping patterns can be identified. Which are those cropping patterns? Children, those cropping patterns are Kharif crops and Rabi crops. What are the Kharif crops first? The crops which are grown in the rainy season are called the Kharif crops. And the rainy season, it is generally from June to September. So they are grown, the Kharif crops are grown from June to September. Fine. And for example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut and cotton are some of the examples of the Kharif crops. Now, what are the Rabi crops? Rabi crops. What are Rabi crops now, dear children? The crops grown in the winter season from October to March are the Rabi crops. Examples of Rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Okay. Now children, besides the Kharif and the Rabi crops, we have one more crop, that is the Zaid crops. Okay, you can see here in this para, besides these pulses and vegetables, there are different crops grown in summers also at many places. As it is not in your NCERT book, the Zaid crops, but in almost every of the school, Zaid crops comes. So in detail, we can know Zaid crops. Okay. See children, Zaid crops. You can see here Zaid crops is written. What are the Zaid crops, children? The crops which are grown in the summers between the Rabi and the Kharif crops are known as the Zaid crops. So Zaid crops are those crops which are grown in the summer between the Rabi and the Kharif crops. Okay, which are grown from March to June. March to June, they are the summer seasons. So they are grown in the summer seasons from March to June. For example, watermelon, cucumber and bitter gourd. Okay, they are the summer crops which are the Zaid crops. Okay, so these were all about the crops. Fine. So you can just study, and if you want more information, you can refer to your NCERT book also. So these all are the 3 crops that are there in the syllabus. Okay. Thank you.